Hey guys, oh no, this isn't even another episode. What's this? Hey guys,
just a video.
Just hey guys, this is a video. Hey guys, it's Elise.
Hey guys, it's Flavia.
You're not used to doing that.
Like,
what do I say? We wanted to make a little video because we found out we have 1,538 subscribers. That's a lot of you, and I don't really know why you watch us, but I like it that you do, so many a thank. And we thought it kind of would be really cute to go through some of our favorite comments from videos because we've never really done something like that.
No.
And we see other YouTubers do it, and there are some really good comments, and I'm just like, I love you guys so much, and so we're going to do that as a little thank you. I've been really bad at messaging people, as you've probably seen. It takes me a while because I've been quite sick this whole year. We've been figuring that out. I've also started studying medicine. Finally got it after 3 years of trying. And Flavia has multiple awesome jobs. So between the two of us, it's a bit hard to do, but you know what? We are still going to be doing it. And over the break period, when I'm on, like when I don't have to study as much, we are going to be churning out videos, most of them anime. So much excitement.
Let's get into it. When I was in basketball, I would make these 2 days before a game and then share them with the team. Very delicious. It gives you an energetic boost.
Oh my god, I love
so
it.
Cute.
His name's Vladimir. Thank you, Vladimir.
Thank
I love
you,
that.
Vladimir. This one made me laugh so much. Damn, long hair can cook and cute. Can we get married? Obviously, he's talking about me.
Yeah.
That's very lovely of you, but I'm married to this one.
We are married. We got married at a Halloween party. I was, because I was working at a maid cafe for like Supernova at that time, and you were wearing a Doctor Who dress, and we got married as the maid in Doctor Who, so.
Anyone else still waiting for the printout instructions?
Is that like they mean from manga? If they're looking, well, we do Instructables too, so that's Instructables.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize we promised printout instructions. If we did, I'm sorry, and go to Instructables. One Australia thing I want to try is Vegemite. I love Marmite. Vegemite's terrible.
Have I tried Marmite?
I don't know.
I don't know. Vegemite is lit. It is, okay, so the thing is, in here there's a bit of a taboo of how to eat it. People put butter and then like a small smearing. You're not supposed to put a lot on it.
It's very like salty.
Yeah, but I was one of those kids that literally like stuck my head in the jar and I had mounds of it, which probably isn't good because it's really high in salt.
But apparently Marmite is a lot saltier than Vegemite.
Okay, we'll have to try this and get back to you.
Well, I'm not going to try it. I've tried it before when I lived in England and that was enough for me.
I'll try it for you. Don't worry.
You are a god. Thanks for this. I love Kuroko no Basket.
Oh my god, it's such a good anime. Sport animes are incredible and I want to do so many more food videos from them. Like, I really want to do the like Haru's mackerel from Free. If you haven't seen Free,
get on that.
Muscles.
Finally, I have found a tutorial.
That's cute.
You're welcome, fam.
And the thing is, it's not that hard, but it's like when you see anime food and you want to eat it, it's just like, how do I make that? And then I'm just like, I got you. I remember this one.
Yeah, I really want to try this. By the way, you're so entertaining to watch.
I remember this one.
I love your positive, soft, and kind personality.
I remember this. Like, I was having the worst day, and Flavia was like, "Hey, do you want to see some of these comments that people are posting?" And I was like, actually, yeah, I was really sick. I was feeling horrible about myself. I saw this and like literally I was like, oh my god, this made my minute, my hour, my day, my everything. And Flavia's like, I'm writing this down. And I'm just, thank you so much. That actually was so adorable. I actually cried.
You did.
I was like, this is so wholesome. Classic. Nothing better than having caramel corn while watching a video about making caramel corn. And I was like, it's cornception.
Cornception. Oh.
I was too excited about the corn.
Cornception. Oh.
Yes, we are definitely. I don't know how to pronounce them. Malasadas.
Malasadas.
See, that's one thing I never learned. Like when I was playing, I was like,
Malasadas.
I'm so excited for the new Pokemon game to come out. It's in November, isn't it?
Yes, 15th of November.
Legendary puppers.
Yes!
How can you not love it? They're so gorgeous. And I really want to try to do something with like a Pokeball cake, maybe, because like if you look at the trailer for the new one, it's like it looks like kind of a glowing ball. I kind of want to do like a glaze kind of thing. So
that'd be how cool.
We're gonna have a look at that one.
How about an Australian take on a British Sunday roast. You should definitely do that.
I don't. What do they mean by British roast? Is that like a chicken, or does it have to?
Are we doing beef? Are we doing lamb? Are we doing chicken?
Oh, is that with like the Are they Yorkshire puddings?
Yorkshire puddings.
Are they like those weird pastry things in the muffin tins? And
Yeah, they're delicious.
They're really confusing to me, but yeah, we can do that. Oh wait, that's the dude that literally just mentioned about Vegemite before.
Yeah.
Ah, hey, yes, okay.
Yes, Wayne.
Look, you gave us 2 comments. I will do a British roast for you, and I hope it's okay.
Someone just commented, she is gorgeous.
Which one of us?
Which one of us? All of us.
Oh, we're all good. You're gorgeous
there were
too.
3 of us in that video. We were all gorgeous, obviously.
Oh, thanks for the recipes, new friend. Pretty much everyone on here has been really positive. I don't think we've had many negatives. I think there's like
that we had. I think we had like 1 hate comment.
But but it wasn't even hate.
comment.
It was like a technicality. And I'm like, we'll find it.
Yeah,
Where
they
was
were
it?
like,
No, we'll find it later.
iconic. Thank you. Where are you from, by the way? Australia, mate.
Oh.
And he was like, wow, it took you 2 months to reply. That's like, yeah.
But I love
That's
he's just
fair.
like, no, but it's all good though.
All good though.
I'm like, thank you.
Why is this not a famous channel yet?
Because we're weird as fuck. Kudos on the production. High quality stuff.
Oh.
That's all Flavia. The amount of stupid stuff that I say and she cuts it out, it's ridiculous. She'll be like, can you say that in a less stupid way? And I'm like, that's fair.
Yeah, I was about to say I'm not that harsh, but I am.
Yeah. She's just like, I want this to be perfect, thank you. And I'm like, I just want my food to be perfect.
We can't really do it like scripted, because I think if you have a script, it's like you're less your bubbly normal self.
Yeah, I'll be like,
So,
what am I supposed to say?
Yeah, here's the negative.
Oh yeah.
comment. I hate to be a negative Nelly, but why is the sound quality so bad? But I would like to say thank you for sharing such a good lesson. I'm sorry you thought the sound quality
I think
was bad.
that was me. I think I didn't put
That
Simon
was-
on.
Yes, I'm gonna blame you for that. You had him on, but he wasn't
He
plugged
wasn't
in
pulling
properly.
Whose
And
fault
so-
is that?
It was your fault because
Oh, yeah,
you
fair.
weren't. But yeah, so I had to swap some
Yeah.
of the audio with the camera audio, and obviously it didn't turn out as well.
Whoa, the camera work is really evolving. Great job, ladies.
Oh, this person's been watching for a while, actually. I remember her name.
That's
And I was
cute.
like, "Aw,
That's all Flavia, by the way.
Thank you.
All of this editing, like, she can do stuff like...
it me."
My cheeks hurt from smiling the entire video. Just how my mum makes it, that made my heart melt. Oh, yeah.
This is just random.
It looked like baked beans at one stage.
Thanks, Andy. You're not wrong. This is probably my favourite comment of all time. Flavia's name is so pretty. I've named my new kitty after her. And that made my life because I love cats. And so the fact that you named your cat after me, like I've peaked, it's all downhill from here.
Sugar in a honey recipe.
Yeah.
This was
Oh, this is not a hate comment.
But the best thing I love, it's from Yo Mama.
I'll bleep it out. I'll bleep it
Effing
out.
stupid.
Effing stupid to be explaining such simplistic things to Pokemon fans, of all people.
And the thing is, unfortunately, some people aren't as cultured as us and have played the Pokemon games. And I'm pretty sure in the video I said, for those of you who haven't played Pokemon.
Exactly. You said before that.
But I
you were
mean-
like, for those of you who haven't played, this is what it is. And this person's like, that's stupid.
But I love it. Like, I just love the fact that the name is Yo Mama, and that's just hilarious. I loved this comment.
Elise's yeets.
I just
Thanks,
love it.
Kale.
We know Kale, so thank you for that one.
We don't know Kale anymore.
We don't know him anymore. Oh, this
when
one.
you broke your foot. Hope your foot heals quickly.
That's so cute. My foot is actually doing really well. Like, I've got a scar, and it's in the shape of a rainbow. And when it first came undone, it looked like a ditto.
It did.
It was so cool. It had like 2 little holes where they put the instruments in, and then the little smiley face. And my foot looked like a ditto, and I was like, "Oh, you girls are so beautiful."
Aww.
Stop it!
Oh, stop.
Stop it, keep going.
Yes, they're real.
See, that's one thing as well with the Poke Puffs. One people are like, but they're cupcakes. I'm like,
They
no,
look like
no.
cupcakes.
Originally, like I was gonna do like actual like puff. What are they called? Like profiteroles.
Oh, profiteroles.
But then I was just like, oh, I feel like kids want to make them and stuff. Like we'll make them look like them regardless.
Yeah.
But at the same time, they're for human consumption, not Pokemon consumption. So they needed to be like cupcakes or something. Must try this. Thanks, Elise. Episode 115 and only 1K subs. You must be stuck in a bad algorithm. Like what happened to Swoop? Thank you. That's sweet.
Oh, this is cute. I love this. Such amazing detail, and had my husband and I laughing the entire time.
Oh, so wholesome.
I love this as well. It's like, why was this in I recommended? By the way, you have 1,000 subs right now. I haven't subbed, but yeah.
The assassin of memes.
The assassin of memes.
That's a good name.
But I want him as a subscriber. The assassin of memes.
Yeah. Well, that was a year ago, so hopefully he's
Come on, fam.
he is now.
Hit that subscribe button. Oh God. Going back to that bit about the printable recipe, I just found it. Is there a printable recipe of this? We will write the recipe on Instructables soon. So we did.
No. I did. I've done an Instructable. Maybe we just didn't put it on the video.
Well,
I don't know.
I'm sure I linked it in the description. Maybe.
We'll figure it. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I just discovered your channel and I love this kind of content. Specifically was looking for cooking videos of dishes from my favorite shows and anime. What a wonderful job you guys did.
I remember that was such a fun video to do.
Honestly, anime food is my life. Anything from anime TV shows or anything like that. I think because anime food just looks so good and you're like, I want to eat it, but it's like, but how?
On the Korean beef. So now I have to get a slow cooker. Unbelievable, am I right? Oh my God, this is the best. I absolutely love this channel. And so we replied, thank you. And they were like, senpai noticed me.
That literally melted my heart because I say that so all the time. She's my young kohai. Do you know that?
Yes.
Okay, so when you have a senpai
superior.
and your kohai is like your junior.
Oh, I thought it was chan.
No, chan is just like a term of endearment. So like I'd call you Flavia chan. That means like we're closer than friends. Like so people call you like Flavia san.
Yeah.
But like I go Flavia chan.
Flavia chan.
Yeah. I am a bit of a weeboo, but I have learned Japanese, so I do understand these things. So like. Oh, I just like this one, the British snack taste test. That was so much fun to do, by the way. We're going to do more of those. I think they're really fun. Definitely. So Tom, he said, you didn't divide the crisps, chocolate, and cakes up. So your taste buds must have been all over the place. Also, crisps, they're chips.
No, they're crisps.
They're chips.
No, they're not. Chips are the chips that you get that are hot. Those are chips. What do you call those?
Hot chips.
It's like Americans when they say horseback riding. No, just say horse riding. You know you have to be on the back of the horse.
You're insulting me in multiple ways.
Yes. That's how I show affection.
Oh, and he's done another one too.
Yeah.
So it's like, I loved watching this. I'm not well this week. I'm laying home sick after someone offered to go out and get me snacks and inspired me to get some of these to make me feel better. Obviously, medicine and fruit will probably work better. True, but F that. Britain snacks for the win. Woo. That's cute. It's really sweet. Thank you, because like sometimes I know like I feel horrible, and recently I've had to be in bed most days and it's really hard. And I know sometimes watching some YouTube videos, or actually how this started, like Flavia came in and started showing me comments and I was like, this is actually making me feel so happy. So thank you for that, that's really sweet. I remember reading this one about a year ago, that was so sweet to read. You made me smile. I'm going through a tough time, so this really cheered me up. Thank you, and keep up the great work. The Katsudon looked amazing. When you're down, like just watching a video can take you away for a little bit. It's a really nice distraction, and honestly, hearing those kind of things just actually warms my heart, knowing that we have made people happy. And it's just like, oh, thank you. Thank you.
I'm glad that we could make you smile, and I hope that things are going better for you. This is a really great one. For anyone watching who's not British, we don't all dunk our snacks into our tea like the dude here. He's a bit of a weirdo. And I love it because Tom from before, and like he's just like, dunk versus don't dunk. The cause of all British civil wars. I just love that. Tom. You legend. We don't all dunk our things into our tea, but my friend Ollie does. So that's just him, and that's his life choices, okay? I thought that was normal. I thought everyone did that. So I mean, I've learned something from you. Thank you, guys. This is a great one. I just love this one. It's a long one, so we'll put it up here if you want to read it. It's from a dude or dudette, we do not judge, called Galaxy Nugget. I think they've transcended all things. But I love that. It's just so gorgeous. Like, there's no pauses in that sentence. Oh, cute. I hope your channel explodes with a ton of subscribers. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, I like that one. Has anyone noticed that the stuffed Pokemon keep moving all throughout the video? It's like, yes. Funny video. So we know that Elise is an excellent. Let me try that again. We know that Elise is an excellent cook and a talented actress/comedian.
I could not act for shit. Look, in the nicest. No.
The acting is not good. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's funny, and that's really. Well, it's
I
funny
thought
to
he just
us.
meant in general, and I was like, if there's someone gave me a script, I would literally go
Words.
Comedian, I'll deal with because my life is a joke.
Well,
Okay.
that was fun.
I feel all warm and fuzzy on the inside, so.
Thank you for everyone that leaves comments. We love reading them. I'm really sorry that we take forever to respond. We are going to try and get better. I'm just going to bug her every week.
No, I'm
a new comment.
I've actually put it in my calendars on like Fridays to look through everything. So if you reply by a Friday, I will actually look at them and give you a good response. Thank you guys, and honestly, thank you all for watching because that really means a lot because we started this channel just for funsies.
Yeah.
I think about 3-4 years ago.
Yeah, crazy how time flies.
And it was just, yeah, and so it's been really cute, and we're probably going to do this for the rest of our lives, no matter what. We might not always be able to post the most, but rhyme, I'm a poet. But we'll definitely keep doing this because I love it so much, and the people are so lovely that watch our videos. So thank you.
Yeah.
And yeah,
We'll see you next time.
much wholesomeness.
Bye.
Cute.
Okay.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.